Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you Love Me Do by the Beatles. Love Me Do uses 4 chords. We're going to use a G7, we're going to use a C, we're using a regular G in the middle, and we also use a D chord, which I do with 2 fingers to bar those 3 strings. At the beginning, there's a wonderful harmonica solo, which I've transcribed for ukulele. If you press on the link and go to Ukuleleo, you'll be able to get the sheet music. You can also like the video, and you can subscribe to our channel. But the opening goes like this. I bar across the 7th fret, and so then I play 8, 7, 5, and I go all the way over to the 3rd string and play the 7th fret. I do that again. And a 3rd time. And then here, I reach to the 8th fret with my ring finger and slide. And back to the 7th fret. Enjoy! Love, love me do, you know I love you, I'll always be true, so please love me do, oh I love me do, love me do, you know I love you, I'll always be true. Love me do, oh, love me do. Someone to love, somebody new, someone to love, someone like you. Love me do. I'll always be true, so please love me do. Oh, love me do. Oh, love me do. Oh, love me do. Enjoy. Visit ukulele.io to sign up for free ukulele sheet music in your inbox every week. If you like this video, you can help us out by leaving a comment or a like below. And thanks for watching.